Weather alert! Weather alert!
Flood warning for the following counties in California, Riverside, and San Bernardino. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for the El Dorado and Appleburn Scar in Riverside County in Southern California, San Bernardino County in Southern California until 1 p.m. At 10:02 a.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain over the El Dorado and Appleburn Scar. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1.25 inches in 2 hours. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in debris flow moving through the Apple and El Dorado. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain in and around the El Dorado and Appleburn Scar. Source: radar and gauge. Impact: flooding and mud and debris flows in and around the El Dorado and Appleburn Scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include San Bernardino, Moreno Valley, Redlands, Yucaipa, Forest Falls, Mount San Gorgonio, Lake Arrowhead, Highway 243 between Banning and Idlewild, Highland and Colton,